My name is Katerina and I study Pharmatechnology here at HLS. I feel like for what I want to do, which is going into the industry that is connected to the pharmaceutical technology, for that the master degree is kind of an obligatory to get into the positions that I would be interested at.
My name is Stefanie Medrano and right now I'm doing my master's degree with the specialisation of Pharmatechnology.
Well, I choose HLS because I really like the fact how it's cooperating with the industry, how the lectures are not just from the lecturers from the school, but also from the external people, from experts from the field. So it's really good to also get the touch of industry into the studying.
Having the possibility to study and learn from the professors here in the Hochschule in Northwest, right? It's a big opportunity which I gladly took, and so I decided to do my master's degree here.
The labs all look amazing since it's brand new, obviously. So that's great to get in touch with a lot of new equipment that I feel like a lot of the schools don't have at the moment.
Just look at the building. I think it's one of the biggest contributing factors for my decision to study here.
I also like to hang out at the lounge on the 12th floor. I think same as every student here, that's an amazing place.
I think they have to bring passion and absolutely willpower. It's not easy, that's pretty clear, but I think where there's a will, there's also a way.